How to transcribe meetings automatically with Otter.ai in 2025. I will show you how to set it up step by step, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Install the Otter AI app or visit their website, and then log in with your Google, Apple, or email. Step 2. Tap the record before your meeting starts or connect other two platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. And then, step 3, as people talk, Otter will generate a live transcript in real time, like this. Step 4, during the meeting, you can highlight key sentences or add notes directly inside Otter. And then, step 5, when the meeting ends, the transcript is automatically saved. You can export it as text, PDF, or share a link with your team. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.